Hi everyone, my name is Fatima. My pronouns are she and her, and I'm a second year student of Computer Science and AI at University of York. The reason I choose to study at York is first, it's a Russell Group University. It has a really good reputation for teaching and research. I thought it was a perfect mix of academic excellence and a good place to live here. The reason I choose to study computer science and AI at University of York because I was always quite fascinated by technology and I always like problem solving. It has a great reputation, it has a lot of opportunities, especially its link with the industry placement, and York is a really beautiful place to live. So I thought it would be a best place to study and enjoy the life. The academics in our university are absolutely amazing, and the facilities, especially the labs, it's really important that you have access to lab continuous so you can still keep on going and practicing yourself. The three words I would use to describe University of York would be beautiful, opportunity, and inclusive. I would say beautiful because the campus itself is absolutely beautiful. I would say opportunities because university usually keeps us updated about any upcoming opportunities and possibilities for future according to our fields. And I would say inclusive because university has a lot of different societies in which you would always have a feeling of belonging over here. As a person from Asian background, I was a bit worried if I was going to feel at home, if I was going to find people like me, if there was going to be any diversity. My concerns were completely nullified. I felt a really strong sense of belonging from this place because the moment I stepped into York, I just felt really welcomed. I do take part in a lot of societies. One of them would be Pakistani society. I have been to a few events of British Asian society. I've been to events of Malaysian society, and I've also been to Italian society, learning about their culture, and especially because they have some food and I like trying different countries' food, so yeah. The campus is so beautiful. It's really famous for its wildlife. You would actually be amazed while you're walking to your classes and you'll be seeing a bunny running around. I feel really safe on campus. Even when I go out at night, I feel really safe because we also have a 24/7 campus safety, and you would actually find students walking even at night all over the campus. You would never feel alone. It's really easy to go to city center through the campus because the buses are really regular. It's not that far of a distance. Usually on bus it takes 25 to 30 minutes. It's a direct bus. The favorite thing about York city center is that how it's historic and modern at the same time. It's a perfect blend of it. The shambles and walking around Minster would never get old. Even as a person that does not drink, there's so much a lot of opportunities and activities that you could do in York. Every single time I go out with my friends, there are two things that we definitely do. First, we go for shopping. And second of all, grabbing food. A lot of opportunity that you would be finding good halal food on city center. The careers and placement team at University of York is absolutely amazing. They will always be there to help you with your CV, and they have educated me about a lot of stuff, where to apply, and the upcoming opportunities that I could avail according to my field. So being at University of York and knowing that you have a really good graduate network and a lot of people from your universities have been working in these amazing companies gives you a bit of confidence that soon when you would graduate, you would have those opportunities. If you're thinking about applying to York, go for it. Absolutely amazing memories I've created in this university. I love it. Not only are you going to find people from your background, but you would get an opportunity to see people from other cultures, other backgrounds, learn about them and try to share yours. I found my home at York.